Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 10. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. And you want to type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Left click on that. Now you want to make sure your view by up here is set to category, and then left click on Network and Internet. Now you want to left click on Network and Sharing Center. Now whatever your connection type is over here on the right, it should be clickable. In my case it says Ethernet. It might say Wi-Fi in your case. Just want to left click on that one time. Again, it should be underneath whatever your internet is, right where I'm generally circling. Once you've selected that, you want to go ahead and left click on the option that says Properties. So it might be a wireless properties button as well, but I'm just going to left click on properties since it's down here. And then you want to left click on configure. So since I'm on Ethernet, I don't actually have a wireless properties button, but you just left click on wireless properties. Should be right next to details. And then a new window would open up, should say connection and security on the top. There should be two different tabs for that. You would left click on the security tab, and then there should be a checkbox that says show characters. You would check mark inside of that box, and then it would show whatever the network security key is right above it. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.